It's 9:15 at night. That looks way better. That looks so much better. Okay, before this video starts, I've had a bad day, so I'm gonna go do a burnout real quick. That'll make me feel better. Still aggressively loud. I like it. What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. It is Tuesday after work. I got some stuff to do at the shop for the Cummins. So we have the brackets for the front bumper, or at least I think that's what it is. It sounds like it. So with the Gen 4 bumper that's in the back there, with the Gen 4 bumper, you need the brackets in order to mount it. It's not a simple bolt on. So we got the brackets. We're gonna take the bumper that came with it, take it off, get the Gen 4 on, see how it looks. Hopefully get some stuff done tonight with the Cummins. I just got to do something, and yeah, just every little bit I can do. So this vehicle, I just sent in the paperwork today with COVID and all that. You can't just go to the town hall and register a vehicle. You have to go through a certain process now. So send all the information, the title, all that. So I'm just waiting to get an email back. This vehicle should be registered right now. It's probably not, but the shop's right down the road. So if I get pulled over, that'll probably be the main point of the video. I'm just gonna buckle up for safety here. This thing is still very loud. It's still very, yeah. There we go. We're gonna raise the plow up here. Oh my God! I hope that doesn't do anything. Okay, check your mirrors. Yep. I can't see a damn thing. I can't wait to get the new mirrors in the mail. They're gonna look so much better than these. These were just spray painted over, if you couldn't tell. All right, let's throw this biatch and drive. Here we go. All right. It's such a monster with the 37s. It's not even really lifted that high. It's not that high off the ground, but the tires themselves really add a lot. I know these old Cummins are known for their transmission issues. Wait for it. Wait. There we go. It pops out of drive. Taking corners and stuff like that. You see, it's in drive now. You take a sharp left-hand corner with it. I found that it'll just pop out. So I got to figure out why it's doing that and a good way to fix that, because I can't have that pulling out in the traffic and just slip in the neutral. I mean, I could. Neutral drop. I take these pretty wide because these tires rub into the fenders a little bit. I gotta get like a level kit or something for it. All right, let's get on it. There we go. See how it like punches? It just punches through the gears. And punch. It doesn't really have that hesitation that your standard transmission, like old truck transmission with the Duramax, it'll shift. You know it shifts. It's not hard. It's like a nice shift. This thing with the power, it'll go, and then once it hits the next gear, it like shoves you forward. It's the weirdest thing. Okay, we just got the truck in the shop. We're gonna work on spraying some of these bolts down and whatnot. Now, I haven't looked at a video on how the brackets are gonna go on for the Gen 4 bumper, but I might figure it out. I probably have to do some research. Let's just be real. We're gonna start by Just basically spraying down what we need to spray down and get this stock one off. Okay, got it off. Wasn't too bad. It's really only 4 bolts to it. These brackets that extended on the outside, I don't think those are going to go on with the new one. I believe it's just reusing these brackets attached to the ones that came with it. And that should be about it. So yeah, let's do that and get this bumper on. Okay, just a quick update. It's getting a little late. I know I'm supposed to just do the bumper. Okay, that was gonna be easy, right? I decided I should probably do just a little bit more. When I took off the previous bumper, the plow adapter was kind of hanging and whatnot. I'm like, what a great idea to take it out now while I have the bumper off. 45 minutes later, this is what we got. I think that's all of it. So it's all zip tied. I took out about 60 zip ties at least. And let's get the light on. So once we go in here, got the raised left lower, you know, the joystick and whatnot. So that's unplugged in the back. It's coming through the firewall, hooked up to a fuse over here. I have no idea what this goes to. I got to trace that back to some wires. Some of the harness was actually hooked up to the fast fuel pump assembly, which I did not want to mess with. So I made sure I still got to hook that back up actually. So that should all be plow. This guy right here, this is the fuse, and that has a connection right there that goes down and connects. Oh boy, I don't even know. It goes down and connects. It has to send power to the fuel pump and whatnot. So I gotta hook that back up. Just decided to get into it while I'm here. Might as well do it. It's kind of a headache. The wiring on this truck. This is why it's almost fun going through a 20-year-old truck, an old vehicle just in general, because this truck has apparently had 3 owners, so somebody set it up for plow. It's just pretty cool going in and watching how somebody else wired it. I have to go through, figure out, you know, how they did it, how they wired it, the way they wired it, and undo it all, because I don't want any signs of this truck being used to plow. That's not what I want the truck to be designed for anymore, so we're gonna take it out. So anyways, back to the original point of this video is to get this damn bumper on. So let's keep cruising along, and next time we check back, hopefully it's on. Fingers crossed, let's go.
Booyah!
Okay, it's 9:15 at night. Another late night. But, oh my God, we got it on. We got the bumper on. Holy crap. What a difference. So it's really bad lighting in here. We're gonna get it out tomorrow. Tomorrow's supposed to be a beautiful day. We're gonna get it, bring it out to a parking lot, take a look at it, show you what I had to do to get this thing to fit. It wasn't too hard, but it required some custom modification to some of the brackets. Wow, what a difference though. So I think I got everything wrapped up in here. Man, she needs a major cleaning. So let's bring this down. Let's just take a look here. Wow. So that's a Gen 4 bumper. Had a little bit of trouble. This side comes up a little more than that. That sags down. You know, whatever. Okay, it's on there. It looks pretty decent. I had to modify these brackets that came with it. I had to cut the bracket right there, basically put a bolt through that hooked up to the one that was previously there. So she's pretty sturdy, even without the 2 bottom bolts. It's got the 2 tops on each side, and a little modification. And I gotta say, way better. So we're gonna get some LED lights for the fogs, and then I'm thinking, just to hide this area, I'm thinking like a metal mesh and just paint it black. Just for now, just to kind of hide it. But yeah, I think it looks way better. Certainly better than the one that came with it. Tell me what you guys think. Give it a thumbs up if this is working for the Gen 2. And you know, this wasn't a how-to or anything like that. It's pretty straightforward, but if you guys are interested on how how it works, it's just a couple of brackets that you have to buy with the 4th gen bumper, and then it basically bolts up to that, and that just bolts in place where the bumper, the 2nd gen bumper, would bolt. It was pretty easy, actually. The part that took the most last night was ripping out all the plow wiring. So that took a little while to do, and thankfully she started when I had to leave the shop last night. I was a little concerned. I think I got the lift pump plugged back in, and she seems to be running okay, and looks even better. I mean, little by little we'll get this truck. Remember, this truck is going to get painted, so I know it's mismatched right now. It's going to get the fender on the other side, but we are going to spend the money and the time and get it painted properly. This is going to be a proper 2nd gen Cummins going down the street. That'll do it. That's all I had to say about this video. If you guys are staying till the end, thank you so much. Please hit the subscribe button. If this is the first video you're watching and you have no idea who I am, I got a bunch of projects planned for this year, all car related and whatnot. So lots of plans. If you're looking for some entertainment over the next couple of years or so, this is the channel to be at. So subscribe, like, and comment down below anything else you want to see done to this 2nd gen Cummins or any of the other projects that I have for the channel. Thank you guys for watching. As always, keep it weird. We'll catch you next time. And also, another package came in. Oh, I wonder what this could be. Stay tuned.